for whatever time frames you use. Personally, I like to go for my minor levels. I'll do 2 times the time frame, and I'll do a higher time frame about 4 times. So
yeah, you would use basically if you were going to go up in a time frame manually.
and I'll look for those structure zones. I'll say, hey, where does my minor and major structural levels overlap? These are the places I want to get involved in the trade. Now, I don't just take the trade every time. I still have to follow my rules. I still have rules of engagement. I still need a particular entry reason to get involved. But I have that prediction level, and I know that that area that's identified for me on my chart is a high probability trading opportunity.
Yeah, and questions are: this is a proprietary tool that we developed, that we have. It is available for people who come into the program. We will give you a copy of it for you to keep forever. It works on NinjaTrader. We do not have it for any other charting package. We code pretty much everything we have in NinjaTrader, yeah, because that's what we use. That's what we suggest people use. So that's what we code in. Does it change colors when resistance becomes support? Yes, Chuck, it does. We thought of that, and it does change because we know once that structural, there's a green one right there. That's a perfect example. That green box there with the red line around it to your left right there, Akil. As you can see, it's green with a red line. It used to be resistance. Then the market violated that structure, and so it becomes green, showing potential support now. It's like a multiple time frame. Yeah, it is a tool for your toolbox. Now, again, one of the things that I've been harping on this entire time is, guys, it's just a tool. Okay? If all you do is throw DSR levels on a chart, do you think that you're going to be able to have a profitable trading strategy? No, because it's just a tool. But when you combine structure support with Fibonacci, with market harmonics, then you have a higher probability trading opportunity. And what we're going to talk about here in a minute is this last trade I took on New Zealand dollar on the 5-minute, and it's an advanced pattern. That's really the next stage of your trading. Anything else you want to say on this?
Well, no, but what you just said, I like that about the building on each other, because that's once you get a trading plan, that's what trading is. We're taking them step by step, talking about how to read a chart, structure, harmonics, fibs, now DSR. And when you guys start trading, it's the same way. Really the analysis we taught you over the last few days is the main analysis you're going to use as you enter the market every day. It's that identify, predict, decide, execute, and when you build that case for entry, you're doing the same thing. You're just stacking one over the other, over the other, over the other, and the more you get, the higher probability trading opportunity it is.
Yeah, absolutely. What questions? Do you guys have any questions on the process that we're talking about here? Okay. Let's go ahead and switch back over to my screen here. Stop. We'll go to a region, project this. Good. So on this particular chart, here's the trade that I took. This is a bat pattern, which is noted from the deep 886 retracement here. And guys, all the pattern formation is just taking the same basic principles of structure, support, and resistance, the retracement levels, looking at those specific retracement levels and projections, and looking for high probability reversal points. And these patterns are all based around a series of Fibonacci support Fibonacci levels that we have put together into advanced pattern formations. Now, as you'll see right here, this was the D completion. So I'll draw this in again so that everybody has, and I know we haven't taught advanced patterns. We'll teach this in the program. But I'll go ahead and just draw this out because this is something everybody should know. This is the X point, the X point. This will be the A point down here. Then up here, we have a B point. And then down here, we're going to have a C point. And then up here, we're going to have a D completion. Now, guys, every single advanced pattern, it's all the same way. X to A to B, B to C, C to D. Okay? X to A to B, B to C, C to D. The C to D completion is what we're looking for. And in this case, this is a bearish cipher pattern.